Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to sound like girl on the voice mode. So guys, if you want to sound like girl, so you follow this video. First of all, download and install the voice mode desktop version, then launch your voice mode. After that, ensure your microphone is selected as the input device and select your headphone or the speaker as the output device. Then toggle your voice changer switch to on position and toggle hear myself on to the monitor your voice. Then configure the female voice filter. Click the option of voice box and browse the available voices for the bar. Browse. Then locate the select girl voice filter. Alternatively, select the smaller female sounding voice filter. Listen to your voice preview and confirm the filter is active. Then fine tune for the natural sound. Look for the voice mixture, adjust the pitch slider to the higher frequency. Then experience with the gender and format shift. Move the mix or volume slider to balance clarity. Add substitute reverb and chaos. Speak naturally and make small adjustment while her myself is active. Then integrate it with your application. So open your desired communication application, navigate to the audio video, and for your microphone input select the voice mode virtual audio device. Ensure your voice changer remaining on and test your microphone in the application audio setting and confirm your modify voice is uh, being terminated correctly. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.